Okay, I got the seat out of the car. Didn't scratch anything, and I got the seat sitting right here. So you can see we've got some wear and tear on the seat, and I'm going to actually take it in and have it reupholstered for a third of the price of the replacement seats. And I'll have the right height, and then I'll be able to have it recline, and I'll still have the functionality of the seat moving back and forth, where those replacement seats, most of them are fixed seats, and you don't have any of this availability. And then on top of that, the replacement seats will not have the electrical aspect of it, so you'll have your warning lights on and all this other stuff on your dash that I'm not an electrician, I won't be able to bypass that, and I don't really want to see that.